In recent years, there has been a dramatic increase in the levels of awareness regarding issues associated to damp and mouldy living conditions within the social housing sector. Social housing organisations as such have become under increasing levels of pressure to address the demands arising from damp and mould. Skilled surveyors who have stretched resources can often only record evidence from a single point in time. This is unable to build up a pattern of evidence from which informed actions could be taken. Lack of insights means social housing organisations are less able to identify mould causes and uplift tenant well-being. Without evidence, the problem cannot be solved. It's all about evidence-based decision-making and insights with smart digital solutions. Smart digital insights can reduce potential tenant health issues associated to mould, identify tenants who are at risk of fuel poverty, reduce risks to vulnerable groups, improve tenant customer satisfaction, reduce legal costs mounting up, reduce negative PR in the media, identify unknown issues in structure or ventilation. Deploying a CDL IoT solution to identify the conditions that lead to mould provides a body of independently collated evidence will benefit all stakeholders, tenant included. CDL offer a range of value-add services from experts in this area when capacity of social housing organization is compromised or there is a need for independent data. Condensation leading to mould can be visualized in the Exactair platform, and necessary processes could then be initiated to help satisfy tenant well-being throughout the estate, whilst protecting the image of the social housing organisation and controlling financial costs. Not only do you get key performance indicators delivered to your fingertips through Exactair, a secure, scalable and resilient platform where insights can be harvested from your asset portfolio, but our solutions are also cost-effective and can be easily installed with minimal training and do not need any internet access from the tenant. With impending new legislation on the horizon which will increase the level of inbound claims and uplift the number of upheld claims, act now. Visit captiondata.com for a complete range of remote monitoring solutions for social housing.